Hi, everyone. Thank you for viewing our virtual open house videos. My name is Rob Riccio, and I'm a social studies teacher here at James Hill House High School. This is going to be the beginning, well, this is my 8th school year here at James Hill House, um, and I've been teaching modern world history now for 6 years. And so this year I'll be teaching all modern world history, and I look forward to having your student in my class. Some of the um, topics we'll be covering, or units that we'll be covering in our class, include revolutions. So we'll focus on both the Haitian and the French Revolution, um, before moving on to units such as industrialization and eventually moving on to genocide and globalization. The class is comprehensive and it will cover a wide array of topics. Um, and I look forward to guiding your children and your students through those units. Some of the material we'll be using in our class will include interactive notebooking. So every student will be working on these shortly for geography before we could get to our units on revolution. We'll also be doing um, a lot of work on Google Classroom, and I'll be grading our assignments on PowerSchool regularly. If you have any questions or you'd like to set up a virtual remote meeting with myself, please let me know. I encourage you to feel free to email me at any time, even if you'd just like to reach out. My email is my name. My name is robert.riccio, RICCIO, at nhps.net. Or you can always email me at the elongated email for New Haven, the robert.riccio at new-haven.k12.ct.us. Again, thank you so much for viewing this video, and I really look forward to working with your student this year. And please do not hesitate to reach out if you'd like to do so. Thanks again.